Well, we're going to just quickly show you how to book a taxi with Navigo. So you need to download the app.
Yep, from Apple Store or Play Store, so it's Android or Apple.
And you click on the app. You'll have your current location. Now, for some reason, ours always defaults to the place next door, but we're actually staying at Bansu Creek.
But all the orange blobs on the map show you where all their vehicles are.
And what you've got, which some people don't know this, is you've got cars, you've got 7-seaters, and then you've got vans.
Which hold up to 10, wasn't it?
Yeah, I don't know what's that there.
That was just a different van.
Oh, that's a Navi pickup.
So if you go on to those...
So we just want a car today, because there's 4 of us.
Yeah.
And we want to go to...
We're going to Lamai Weekend Resort, because that's pretty central, so we get dropped off there.
Week Ender Resort Koh Samui.
That's it.
So that one there. And then we go next. And then we got how many persons? There's a maximum of 4 because it's a car, but there is 4 of us anyway.
And if you use it sometimes for the first time, make sure where you're staying you might get a code.
A promo code,
a promo code, which gives you sort of 20% off. But once you've used that, you can't use it again.
If Carole zooms in a bit, you can see here, that's the price. It will be between 266 baht and 325 baht.
You can also put your photo in so that the driver recognises you. But we did that a couple of times, but you don't need to.
And then, so we're all happy with that. Confirm booking. They're looking for a driver now.
There we are, and it shows you the car that's going to come, the number of the car, oops, where's it gone, and what the driver looks like.
And if you scan towards the bottom,
and if you look towards the bottom, it tells you
he's
going to be here any minute because he's obviously just up the road.
Yeah.
So, and then when they come, it says arrive and it's confirmed. And they never charge any more. In fact, it's often less, isn't it? So that's how to use Navigo app in Koh Samui.